there, Wellness Feed fans! Today we're diving into the magical world of baking soda. Sure, you've used it to bake cookies and maybe even to keep your fridge smelling fresh. But did you know this humble powder has a ton of other uses that will blow your mind? Stick around because we're about to reveal some amazing baking soda tricks you probably never knew. Welcome back to Wellness Feed. Today we're uncovering the secret powers of baking soda. From cleaning hacks to beauty tips, this little box of powder is a true superstar. Let's jump right into it. Trick 1. Natural deodorant. Ever run out of deodorant at the worst possible time? Don't sweat it. Just mix a pinch of baking soda with a few drops of water to create a paste, then apply it to your underarms. Baking soda neutralizes odors and keeps you fresh all day long. Who knew staying fresh could be so simple? Trick 2. DIY toothpaste. Want a brighter smile without the heavy price tag of whitening treatments? Try this. Mix baking soda with a bit of water and a drop of peppermint oil to create your own toothpaste. It's a natural way to remove stains and freshen your breath. Just don't overdo it. Using it once or twice a week is enough to keep your pearly whites shining. Trick 3. Soothe insect bites. Summer means sun, fun, and bug bites. Ouch. But fear not, because baking soda is here to save the day. Make a paste with baking soda and water and apply it to the bite. It reduces itching and swelling, giving you quick relief so you can get back to enjoying the outdoors. Trick 4. Kitchen cleaner. Extraordinaire. Your kitchen deserves some tender, loving care, and baking soda is the perfect partner for the job. Sprinkle it on your sink, cutting boards, and stovetop. Then scrub with a damp sponge. It's non-toxic, so it's safe to use around food, and it leaves your kitchen sparkling clean. Bonus tip: add a little vinegar for an extra cleaning boost. Trick 5. Freshen up carpets. Got carpets that could use a pick-me-up? Sprinkle baking soda liberally over your carpets. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, then vacuum it up. The baking soda will absorb odors and leave your carpet smelling fresh. It's a quick and easy way to revive your living space. Trick 6. Skin exfoliant. For smooth, glowing skin, look no further than your kitchen cabinet. Mix baking soda with a little water to create a gentle exfoliant. Rub it on your face in circular motions, then rinse with warm water. It removes dead skin cells and leaves your skin feeling soft and refreshed. Who needs expensive scrubs when you've got baking soda? Trick 7. Clean hairbrushes and combs. When was the last time you cleaned your hairbrush? If you're like most of us, it's probably been a while. Fill a bowl with warm water, add a tablespoon of baking soda, and soak your brushes and combs for about 30 minutes. Rinse them thoroughly, and they'll be as good as new, free from product buildup and grime. And there you have it, folks. 7 incredible baking soda tricks that are sure to make your life a little easier. Whether you're freshening up your home, taking care of your skin, or looking for a quick fix, baking soda has got you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the baking soda magic. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Wellness Feed.